Hello everyone. So today my webinar topic is amount calculation based on dynamic fields input. So using text input and label, I am performing operation, and for locking that field, I am using display mode property in Canvas app. Let's move to demo. So here I have already created that screen, that is screen 1. In that I have already designed that input and label. So here I am performing based on amount. I want to find the percent. So if I give amount and percent in calculated field, it will give me the calculated value. Same way for discounted amount, it's the actual amount and the discounted amount what I want. Based on that, it will calculate and give me the value in calculated field value. So first I'll just explain you what rename I have done for this text input. So for this amount, I am taking text input amount. For this percent, I am taking text input percent. Now I want to add formula in this label. So it's like if I give amount and percent, it will calculate in this. So for that, for in this label text property, I have to apply formula. So if you see formula, I'm using that if condition. In this, I'm using is numeric. Is numeric is to calculate a numeric value. You have to enter only numbers. So in that, I'm taking that text input percent text. So whatever I input in this discount percent value, it will take that, and that value it will do calculation. So then in text input amount, that means this field, the amount which I have given, that amount they will input with that value and find the percent. For that percent formula, I'm using 1 minus this value of text input percent dot text divided by 100. So I'll just show you how it works. For that, I'll play that app. So assume I'm giving 4,000. For that 4,000, I want 10%. Now you can see the calculated value. And when you give 10, this field will get locked. For locking, I'll show you how it works. So for locking, I want to lock the amount field. For that amount display mode property, you need to set this formula. So what this formula means, so if a text input field is blank, then you have to edit that amount, otherwise it's disabled. That means if this is blank, then this amount field should be enabled, or if you enter something, then it should be disabled. Same way for amount and discounted amount, I have given that formula in calculated value label. So for that, in that text property, again I have using if condition, and I am checking is number or not, and then I am doing the subtraction based on amount and discount amount. So if I go and play now, in this I give 6,000 and I want that discounted amount 3,000. You can see this price 3,000. And for resetting this value, if you want to reset, I have taken this refresh, and in that refresh I have used that reset property like this. So I want to reset text input amount, I want to reset text input percent, the input box which you renamed as, that you have to take as a reset. So when I go and click on reset, it will get reset. Again, now you can take different number amount and you can perform different calculation. Same with that amount, I'll take. Yes, so this way we can do amount calculation based on dynamic field input.